To start, go ahead and remove all these push clips that hold this whole plastic piece on. You want to remove the center first, and then the whole thing comes out. Remove these 4 bolts that are underneath here. From underneath, remove these 3 screws here. One here, one here, and one over here. On the side of the bumper, in front of the wheel, there's another 10mm screw here. Remove that. Now you can pull the fender liner out of your way. On the edge of the bumper right here, there's another 10mm bolt. Remove that. Unplug the connector for the daytime running light, and then right next to it will be the fog light connector. You can either twist the bulb out of there or just unplug it, whatever is easiest. A lot of times these get filled with sand, so it becomes difficult to disconnect it. There we go. And now you want to do the same to the driver's side. From the side here, pry out and forward. Do the same on this side. Then support your bumper and remove it. Slide the bumper back on. Make sure it goes, I know where it's supposed to. It needs to go over this right here. At the same time, it needs to slide into the side here, just like that. And once it's secured, or once it's lined up and in place, let's start in some of the bolts. Go ahead and plug in the fog light. Make sure it clicks. And plug in the daytime running light. Make sure that clicks. Perfect. Go ahead and put up this screw that holds the edge of the bumper in. All right. Snug up this one. Line up your fender liner with these 3 mounting screws here. All right, and start them in. Snug them up. And now I'm just going to go down the line, snug up these 2. Go ahead and put this plastic cover back on, line it up, and then I'm going to put in all of my push clips. I separated them, so I'm putting the outer piece in first, and then you take the center, slide it down, press it all the way, and that's how you lock it in. Go ahead and do that to all the rest.